The design of interactive English online education system based on BS structure. 习影地 and 林莹 and 吴阳波。Abstract, aiming at the problem that the signal communication rate obtained by the existing online education system is too large. A free speech interactive English online education system based on BS structure is designed. The hardware part uses signal chip microcomputer as the main controller, expands the interface outside the sensor, and designs the hardware circuit structure. BS structure is built in the software part. The online interactive algorithm of free speech interactive English is constructed, and the system design is completed after setting up the system test environment. The traditional system and the online education system designed in this paper are tested. The results show that the signal and attenuation rate of the online education system designed in this paper is the smallest. Keywords: BS structure, free speech interaction, English online education, signal attenuation rate. Introduction. Online education refers to the use of advanced digital methods to convert text, pictures, and videos into data that can be stored and converted and transmitted via the Internet, which is convenient and efficient interactive teaching. With the rapid development of information technology, the coverage and transmission rate of the Internet have increased substantially. This has led a solid function for the large-scale application of P2P technology in video transmission, which can transmit smooth video remotely and interact with low latency. On the one hand, the development of fixed network has broken the technological bottleneck and of the popularization of online education. On the other hand, the rapid development of domestic 5G mobile communication technology has also pushed the large-scale promotion of online education to a new peak. The online education system, also known as the distance education system, is a product of the information age. Its characteristics are to achieve personalized and efficient teaching methods that teach students in accordance with their aptitude. It is a relation to the traditional teaching mode. It breaks through the limitations of traditional face-to-face teaching. The seeker provides a way of learning which, with scarcity time, free arrangement of learning, resource sharing, a wide geographical area, interactive learning. The data function module is designed. The data function module is designed as an education data module, an exchange module, and an online education module. The three modules collect data separately and then perform digital to analog conversion. The three modules are informally connected to the data transmission unit to facilitate unified transmission and unified processing of converted data. In order to ensure the safety and reliability of the processing process, the sensor adopts the SP1112 multifunctional sensor. The internal clock of SAML is designed to oscillators are replaced inside the sensor. The low power with an oscillation frequency of 2.5 Hz is placed in the international clock as oscillator with an oscillation frequency of 2 MHz is used in the data function module. Under the BS structure built in the above figure, the silent collector is located on the first layer, which is different from the silent. In the CS structure, the silent only remains a web browser. There is no need to store any applications, and in the CS mode, each user must install the application on the silent before using it. Configure the parameters of the silent client, the application on the client before using it. At the same time, users also need to participate in the maintenance and management of the client software. If the user's working platform is different, then the corresponding client terminal must be specially developed according to the characteristics of the different platforms. Located in the second layer is the application service layer, which is composed of one or more servers. The web server is also in this layer. The function of Java application server is to process the business logic in the application. This layer has excellent scalability. The number of servers can be adjusted at will according to the needs of the application to prevent object sharing conflicts, avoid object or failures, ensure the granularity and availability of objects, and manage the life cycle of rebase. In the test environment developed in the picture above, the presentation layer is composed of the client, Angular simple page application, map web, and the management Angular single page application. Map element web each with which deploys an instance on the other hand to provide access to stack resources, and on the other hand each container has a request broker service which dynamically distributes requests to four map service containers, and the service layer is a cluster of four mapcar service composed of four map service. The storage tier consists of Mongo and event store database instance. After the software structure is debugged, experiments are carried out by using the education system in reference, the traditional system in reference, and the designed educational system to compare the performance of the three education systems. Conclusion: the future development trend of education is modern distance education. Distance education uses today's advanced communication technology and computer network technology to deliver multimedia data, audio, video, and other information in non-real time or real time. Is an interactive or virtual form and distance education. As a teaching method, distance education will be used more and more by one, and therefore its development will become more and more perfect. Thank you for listening.